Hello, this is Decimal, and today I'm going to be jamming with the K.O.II with some vintage synth samples that I recorded myself at the Swiss Museum of Electronic Music. I'll also be using the Launchpad Pro to trigger these samples. So I opened up the online utility and started uploading samples from the Prophet 5. I then threw in some samples from the OB8. Now it's time to put in some Roland samples, starting with the JX-3P. Now it's time to put in some samples from the Juno 106, one of my favorite synthesizers. Now it's time to throw in some samples from the Juno 60, another great synth. Then I plugged everything in, and if you want the K.O.II to be controlled by an external MIDI controller like I have here, all I have to do is connect a TRS cable from the input of the K.O.II in the MIDI section. Then I route that to the output of my MIDI controller. You might need an adapter depending on your MIDI controller, but in this case a regular TRS cable worked just fine. And just like almost all of my videos, this audio will be recorded using a Zoom H4n Pro. Alright, let's take a listen to some of these samples. I kind of like this. Let's go with it. Let's add some delay. Time to add a kick. Time to add some hats. We have the snare. That's all I have for you today. If you want to download the samples from these vintage synthesizers, I have a link to my Gumroad down in the description. Peace out.